Alright guys, back here's another video, and we got Andrew there. Is that my freaking bottle? Huh? He just tore the lid off! Did he? My spinner, my dog just tore the lid off. Am I gonna have to whoop you? You don't do it. These guys get mad.
Even when it's not my period. Sex. Speak up. Actually, it's all terrible.
If you have painful periods, pelvic pain in between periods, or pain with sex, ask your gynecologist. It could be endometriosis. 1 in 10 know it, yet many don't know it.
My lid is right.
Endo.com.
Dogs don't play hard to get.
Come here.
They declare love at
Come here, Teach.
Dogs love more because they are more. Let's treat them that way. Milkbone, doing more for dogs since 1908.
The delicate skin on your neck can show age. Or not.
Gold Bond Neck and Chest Cream helps improve texture and increase elasticity. 97% have visibly firmer skin. Gold Bond Neck and Chest for visibly firmer skin.
Oh, Tigers, oh, Tigers.
It's cleaning season. Protection. This spring, take on even the grimiest messes with the power of Lysol. Kills 99.9% of germs with 0% bleach.
I have guns planted everywhere in my house.
Zantac works in as little as 30 minutes. Nexium can take 24 hours.
Sabal, Six. Sabal! Ah!
Control of that energy.
No, no! Six! Let go! Let go! Hey, dude! Hey! Hey! Guys, I'm gonna stop. He locked his jaws on that time.
On TLC and TLC Go.
Let go! He's locking his jaws on it. I mean, look. Let go! Oh! There you go. There's your gun.
Today we are heading to Houston to meet Dr. Darzard for the first time and hopefully to get help to save my life. And I'm pretty nervous.
Let's give that gun to him. That gun is yours. I'm gonna give it to you today, Jinx. For being a great doggy. Homemade wound stock with chew on. Just put your teeth right there and go boom, boom.
Every aspect of my life. It's been hard on everyone, not just myself, but hard on my family, friends, and it's been hard on Catherine. But I do believe that this is my last and
I'm
final.
not gonna give it to you if you're gonna be that way, Jinx. Here,
I'm extremely scared and nervous right now
be careful with this thing now.
because it's at
very.
least a 25 to 30
Smell a
hour
lily right
drive.
now. Cheers now.
I don't even know how we're going to
Yeah, get it now.
or what hotels we can even stay in.
Did you just try to shoot?
Hurt.
No, well, let him have that gun, but he was trying to bite it.
Too hard for him.
Let him out.
This is
Alright
our
guys,
last
I'm gonna end my video here
chance
today.
of doing it.
Oh, hi!
There's my gay brother. Alright, we're gonna end it here today. I'm gonna try to talk Andrew into making a video before he goes home tonight. And all that. So, see y'all. If you want to see me and Andrew over there eat a whole can of dip, then try to get me 10,000 subscribers. And I'll win. Bye. Make sure to like and subscribe. See y'all.